Hey friends and folks, I'm back with y'all. Angel Outdoors. Finally got a chance to get back out here. It's a Saturday. It's pretty chilly. I think it's gonna be down to 34 degrees tonight. Here's what I got going on for my pack. I think I'm gonna hammock it up tonight. I got a tarp, got blankets. I got a pretty bundled up fishing rod there, and maybe I might catch some fish. Hard telling. According to these two apps I downloaded, might be a good night, but redbuds are budding. We're here in Missouri, and maybe I might find some mushrooms. I didn't bring anything to cook them with, but I can honestly take them back home tomorrow, soak them in some salt water. But yeah, I'm gonna sit down here for a minute, let Angel do her thing. I might throw the rod a couple times. The water looks pretty clear. Other than that, I think I'm gonna sit here for a bit. That's only 5 o'clock. All right, time. Then I'll move on. I'll make up camp. Be nice to sleep on the beach, but I brought a hammock, so that's not an option. I'll give her a few throws. See what's going on with fishing. There we go. Doing this. One hand on the phone, one hand on the reel. A couple apps I got downloaded say it's a decent day for fishing. Catfish supposed to be biting, but I don't believe that they are. Nothing. I don't see any minnows, anything moving around. Been down here for about 30 minutes now, tossing it. Decided I might pick the camera up, might be good luck. Hell, I might have better luck at mushrooms at this point. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pack it up. We're gonna head to the campsite. Get set up for the evening. I'll get back to you guys when we get there, alright? What, dude? You ready? Let's go. Come on. She's so ready to go all the time. Fuck my life. Let's go. Well, I made it to the campsite. Look at them giant girls. Wish I knew if I could eat those. Plan to do a little morel mushroom. Angel. I'm out of breath. I planned to do a little morel mushroom hunting while I was out here. I left this hammock last time I came in camping here because somebody had set up their own little campsite. Same spot that I always do, but apparently they haven't been back, so I'm gonna be packing this out of here with me. It's gonna be going with me. So I don't really know what I want to do right now. I want to find some mushrooms. I need to get some firewood. I need to get a tent set up. Tent. Hammock. Probably gonna set up camp. There's pretty easy. I got some canned Campbell's. Then I might figure out what these mushrooms are. If they're edible, I might cut every single one of them off, take them home with me. But until then, yeah, boys and girls. I guess I'll get back to you. Just setting up the hammock here. There she is. My 3/4 of the way inflated pillow. All the way is too much. Wool blanket, fleece blanket. Here we go again. Really badass, not fleece blanket, but almost the same thing. I don't have a stand, so I gotta carry you guys everywhere I go today. Which is really a big pain in my ass. But I got plenty of firewood. Bada 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 bubble butt. Bubble butt. That looks really high. Well, let's see what I can do here. I don't think I can do much. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Maybe you can see something going on here. I know, I'm sorry. Blanket, pillow. I'll be back. Yo, one more thing. Ta-da! Reflectors. I can't use an undercoat on this thing. Just a double. Get out here. Craig. Alright. Pillow. Blanket. Flippy. Angel in the road. He's just an angel in the dark. This thing is huge. Thank you, Dad. Another blanket. Walmart clearance aisle. $39.96. Down to $17.98. Shazam. First time using it. $40 blanket ought to be pretty decent, right? Especially if you're no bigger than it is. Oh, it's so cozy. This looks like a baby. And the wool blanket. It's got a burn hole in her from the wood stove. Jumping in the hot tent. There's nothing to gripe about this evening. That should be just fun. And the dog will be in here with me. She takes up a lot of room. She's just an angel. An angel in the dark. And I just started this practice. Nothing I usually do. I hang my bags on my hammock straps now. So I have somewhere for him to go. Let's see what we got going on. And enter. Whoa. I might just stay here. You guys make your own entertainment. That's something else. You missed half of it, didn't you? I apologize. Alright. Try to get started. Try to get fire started. Why the hell can I not talk today? Everything. Angel. Son of a bitch, dude. Alright. That's what we got here. Bark. And rub it together between your hands really, really good. Make it all fibery. Steel. Striker. Clean it off a few times. You hold your striker and pull your steel. That fast. Fire. Ba-boom. Start feeding it. Slowly. Bring up some more bark. Keep feeding it, little babies. Keep going. Keep going, girl. I'll take a minute for it to take off, but as long as we got smoke, we got an ember. There it goes. There it goes. Feed it. Fire's like small children. Some trees. Small tree babies. Smaller the better. Look at it. That's all it took. A little homemade fire kit with a striker. We're burning, brother. We got fire, baby! Oh, well, y'all can see this. Gawa. Pulling bow saw. It's got some firewood. Oh, shit. Not so good left-handed. Stick to righty. I picked a hell of a log to start on, boys. I'll tell you that. Alright. I'm no girl, but give me a minute. Shitballs. Alright. Ha 10% winning. Ba-da-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum. Ba-bum-bum-ba-dum. Alright. This is sitting all pretty. Grab the other thing. This is only gonna be enough to get my fucking stove warm. Alright, cool. You can stay. Shit. Stay there, girl. I said, stay, please. Use manners. Hey, Mom. Get up here. May not be in the river. Dirty little wank. Well, you might not burn that good if you aren't cutting that good. Stay, girl. There we go. Some slitting. All right. A little bit worked up. Might be able to make some dinner. Wow. Wanted to be cool. Ain't that sharp. Let's put the cover on her. There we go. What's up, baby? We're no more than maybe 50 yards from the river. What's this? I'm dirty boy. But yeah. So we're at the campsite. Yeah, everything's set up. The E-Troll camping hammock doubles as a bivvy. And with this fire, get some embers going. A little bit of firewood chopped up and ready to go. Work my way around. Probably get cozied in, make some dinner, and relax tonight. Tomorrow morning, I'd like to wake up and maybe do some mushroom hunting. Look how majestic she is. You're such a good girl. She loves sleeping in this hammock with me. It's her place to be, guys. I'm telling you. My best pal pal. My buddy. My friend. So we got, if you can read that, 47 outside. The high today was 56 in the last hour or two, whenever that thing red last. I think we're going to get to 34 tonight. I'll keep the thermometer out and keep you all updated. But holy crap, guys. This thing's huge. The only drawback is you can't use an underquilt unless you flip it over. You know, lose your bug screen, which isn't really important. Not a big deal when it's cold out. But summertime, you know, little buggers will get you from beneath. So you want your underquilt to keep the mosquitoes from stinging you once you got a full screen. As you can see with this setup, it's pretty cool. It's really, really cool. It's built well. Everything above you is suspended, but under you, still gonna get stung. Hey, there we go. We got a light. No fire going. The two of us have just been hanging out the last couple of hours. Wow, how about I am ugly as all sin under that, huh? Yeah, the boys put a little weight on over the winter. That's alright. I'll lose her over the summer. I have to cook some dinner before too much longer. Got more than enough firewood. Pulled a few limbs. Pulled a lot of limbs, actually. I didn't find a single mushroom. Not one. Sad day, boys and girls. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Or I might just believe that they've been deleted off the earth and it's all a hoax anymore. Or I might just have to pay for morel mushrooms, and I don't want to do it. I want to find my own. I'm a strong, independent big boy. But that's pretty fire, right? I mean, that makes up for something. I'll make some chicken and rice here in a bit. Just really been kicking back in the hammock and taking it all in. Beautiful out here. Hell of a good camping spot. We aren't far from the park. We're right by the river. The park closes at 10. So I don't know what that means for me. Technically, I'm between park territory and private land. Nobody's ever been upset with me in the last year and a half or 2 years of making my way out here. So I'm gonna imagine I'm good. But yeah, boys and girls. It's been about 4 months since I've been out here. Hey, Angela, what are you grunting about? Yeah, 4 months. I don't know it took me so long to get back out here because as soon as I get here, it's where I want to be. Kind of left you all out of quite a bit of the strip. It's campfire going. Down here, I got my little mini titanium stove. Cooks up some chicken and rice. What we're gonna do, sure got that lid on there good. Warm it up on there. Well, chitlins. That's Reflectix. I always carry that with me. Lay on top of it. Just as good, if not better, than an underquilt. Got a little thing go. I'm not how to pull it off. So I'm watching. Give her a stir every once in a while. But yeah, it's quarter till 9 now. There's some dinner going. I've just been sitting here, guys, like I said, relaxing. But I'm gonna eat dinner. I'm gonna sleep. Get up early in the morning, set some lines. Maybe maybe catch a catfish. If I learn how to talk. Go mushroom hunting while the pools are sitting. Bada boom. Yeah. Good night. All cozied up. I really can't see anything outside of the tent. I'm pointing at a tree that's reflecting all the light from that fire that... Oh, I guess you can see it a little bit. Hazel in my ugly face. Probably my finger in front of the lens. But, yeah, I think I'm going to call it a night, guys. I don't think it's that late. Might be about 10 o'clock. But I got 3 blankets. Polyester. Wool. And down. And a dog. She's happy as hell. Small space here. So I'm gonna close it in. And in the morning, I think, oh, it's so bright. Wow, jeepers. I think in the morning, got a little bit of food left. I didn't bring a whole lot because I brought my fishing pack with me, and altogether I'm almost 45, 48 pounds, something like that between everything. Then I'm gonna eat something when I wake up. Try to catch catfish. Do some mushroom hunting and head home later tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully I have something delicious to catch and find. And hey, Angel, is that light bugging you? Alright, I'll get with you guys in the morning. Well, it's morning. Got a little chilly last night. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. River back there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but a runny nose. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get my coffee. It's chilly. Get my coffee. Sit here for a bit. You know, it's early enough. It's only about 8 o'clock. I could probably mosey back on down into this hammock and get a nap. It's Sunday. I don't have much going on, so might be the plan. Oh, hush. Knock, 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 knock. Y'all see I'm trying to do some fishing here. You're intruding on my moments. Snake bird. Snake neck bird. I see ya, Mouthy.